In this video from Casio Help, we're going to demonstrate how to reopen an existing laid away tab on the SR-C550 cash register. So we want to recall tab number 1, so you press 1 and then new and old, and that brings up the tab. You can now enter the next round of items to be added to the tab, and then when you're finished press MB to lay the tab away. It comes up with a service total, which is the running total of the tab or check so far, and if you want to clear the screen down you can simply press C. If you need to print a check out, so if a customer wants their bill, you simply type in the number of the check and then press the post receipt key. So in this case, check number 1 and then post receipt. For more information on using the bar tab function on the SRC550, you can click on the video links or the playlist appearing on screen now. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel, or you can visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.